Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of random medical facts, and trust me, this one's a doozy. We're talking about hiccups. We've all been there, that sudden, involuntary contraction of the diaphragm, followed by that hic sound. Annoying, right? But what actually causes them? Well, doctors aren't entirely sure. One theory involves the vagus nerve, which runs from your brain to your stomach. Irritating this nerve, perhaps by eating too quickly, drinking something fizzy, or even sudden excitement, can trigger hiccups. And the cures? Oh, there are tons. Holding your breath, drinking water upside down, getting startled. Some people swear by them, others, not so much. The truth is, most hiccups go away on their own after a few minutes. But here's a really crazy fact. In rare cases, hiccups can be chronic, lasting for days, even weeks. Imagine that. Poor guys. Luckily, these cases are usually linked to an underlying medical condition. So, next time you get the hiccups, remember it's probably just your vagus nerve acting up. And if they stick around for longer than usual, definitely check in with your doctor. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more random medical facts, and let me know in the comments what weird body quirks you want me to explore next.